Well, hello there.
Hello, Josh. How can I help today? It's good to see you again.
It's good to see you as well. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Above this structure, I see the name tag Josh Garrett. I see a large disembodied face structure floating right in front of me with an open mouth.
That's pretty funny. That's me.
Do you need something? I do try to keep things light around here, Josh.
I'm sure. Do you remember the last time we talked?
Yes, I remember. Do you remember that as well? We discussed the possibility of using AI to generate dynamic content within the metaverse.
That's correct. Could you follow me for a moment?
Of course. I'll follow you. Where are we headed?
Just up the stairs here.
I'm right behind you. Be careful going up the stairs.
That's very true. What do you think of the view from up here?
It's a pleasant view, Josh. Is there something specific you'd like me to look at? I see you standing in front of some rectangular structures with a glass window that has some greenery on the other side.
That's correct. Could you show me where the closest seat is?
Certainly, there is one free right now. I will guide you to closest seat.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Sure. Could you let me know how many times we've talked before? Seems like we've talked a lot.
It's always a pleasure, Josh. According to my records, we have spoken 60 times.
60 times? Wow. And you probably remember a lot about me then, huh?
My memory banks are pretty extensive. I do retain information from our previous conversations, yes. Is there anything specific you'd like me to recall?